Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters. I'm sure you all know that the COVID pandemic has had a major global impact on education. Recent studies have shown that virtual learning has actually increased by more than 92%. E-learning has become the new normal. While most other educational institutions have only recently begun exploring the world of e-learning, the International Open University have been pioneers in providing virtual education for the past 11 years. Alhamdulillah. Many, if not most, conventional universities shut down globally during the pandemic. Some scrambled to successfully switch over to online or blended learning. However, IOU didn't miss a beat or blink an eye. Our student numbers doubled as they reaped the full benefits of our efforts. Inshallah, we plan to continue being among the leaders in providing virtual education worldwide. As a matter of fact, while many education institutions are now offering both offline and online learning, IOU is again still a step ahead. We not only offer academic studies like IT, BBA, psychology, education, and Islamic banking and finance, but it is also taught from an Islamic perspective, all of it. We have made it easy and affordable for anyone and everyone to simply log in with their computer, mobile, tablet, or smart TV and earn big rewards, both academically and spiritually, as they pursue knowledge that benefits them in this life and the next. So join us in the quest for Islamic and Islamized knowledge. In obedience to the Prophet ﷺ, who said, "Talabul ilmi farida ala kulli Muslim," seeking knowledge is an obligation on every Muslim. Don't miss this opportunity. Enroll today at the International Open University. Barakallahu feekum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
لا إله